Think you're behind on your savings? What if I told you the world's richest investor made 99% of his wealth after 52? Meet Warren Buffett. At 52, he was worth $376 million. That's a dream for most, but for him, it was just the start. Imagine a huge birthday cake. Buffett blows out 52 candles, thinking he's rich. Little did he know, his real fortune was yet to come. Today, he's worth over $130 billion. That means almost all his money grew while most people were planning for retirement. But wait, how? It wasn't a lucky lottery ticket, it was the power of compound interest, working like a snowball rolling downhill. The secret isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. He started at 11 and never stopped for 8 decades. So if you feel like you're starting late, remember, wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Patience is your greatest asset. Time is the real wealth builder. If you found this inspiring, hit that follow button for more legendary success stories.